Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language in PowerPoint. This is actually quite simple. First of all, we open PowerPoint and now I click on the File tab at the top left and go to Options. Here I switch to the Language tab and find all the languages currently available here. If the language I need is not there, I can add a new language by pressing the button Add a Language. For this example, I will set PowerPoint to German. To do this, I select German and then click on Set as Preferred. Now I click on OK and the only thing left to do is to restart PowerPoint. So let's do this very quickly. And as we can see, I have changed the language to German. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!